How to fix Bluetooth problems in iOS 18.1. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll guide you through fixing Bluetooth issues on your iPhone running iOS 18.1. Follow these quick steps. Let's dive in. First, open the Control Center or go to Settings. Tap PN the Bluetooth and confirm that it's turned on. Toggle Bluetooth off, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. If it doesn't resolve the issue, then tap the I next to the device and tap Forget this device. Then reconnect by pairing again. Ensure your Bluetooth accessory is compatible with iOS 18.1. Go back to Settings, tap on General, go to Software Update, and ensure you're on the latest iOS 18.1 patch. In the Settings, go back to Bluetooth and pair your iPhone with a different Bluetooth device to determine if the issue is with the iPhone or the accessory. If none of the steps work, visit the Apple Support website or an Apple Store for further assistance. And that's how you can fix Bluetooth issues on iOS 18.1. Hopefully, by these easy steps, it will resolve this issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.